Hello, it's SIG Node CI meeting. It's February 23rd. Welcome, everybody. Let's get to agenda. Matthias, first is your topic, Docker-based presubmits.
Yes, very quickly. So I cleaned already all the presubmits that we had, both in Containerd and Docker Shim. And when I was like running my tests, I realized there were some other presubmits, but not from our SIG, that are listed in the middle of the comment. And I was wondering if we should like contact them. So the first one exists with Containerd as well. That's why I ticked it, but the others, they don't. And finally, at the bottom of the comment, those are probably from us. And these presubmits, they are not running by default, but when you try to run them, they fail immediately. So I don't know what to do with them.
Haven't we deleted all presubmits? Yeah, you had this PR, or it was just subset.
Yes.
Oh, it was just subset. Okay. Yeah, the other thing I noticed in test infra today is not today. Like we have some jobs that still specify container runtime and pass containerd as container runtime. This clearly wouldn't work unless you're working on earlier versions of Kubernetes, like on previous versions. So we do that for some previous versions tests, but also we do like release blocking. But also I found some COPS jobs. I don't know what COPS means. Does anybody know? KOPS, COPS. Okay, so maybe worth investigating as well. I think for which SIG side is this from? This is Windows, right? Do you know?
Windows on the rest is GCE. So GCE is you as
yeah. GCE
I
is
understand.
Google, yeah. Okay. I think we even have it on our dashboard. Yeah. No, it's not. Oh, it's presubmits. That's fine. Okay. And the rest is want to start, you said.
Yeah, if you look at any of them on the bottom, they never run. And when you try to run them, they fail immediately. I don't even remember the error. It was like 1 month ago. But
Do we have any historic successful runs on these jobs? No.
Not that I found.
So I guess then they were created and they never were successful.
How do I get there?
I think I had my PR where I did tests that you could probably check. One moment.
This one?
No. I had one. Let me check. Yeah. Look at the comment just above. That one.
Okay. I think it's cleaned up already. There's nothing left.
Okay.
Yeah, test results probably cleaned up because of expiration. Okay. Yeah. Do you plan to work on that to keep cleaning them up?
I could. It was just for guidance. Like, what should I do with this?
Yeah, typical guidance we have is delete everything we don't use, and clearly is also not being used right now. And then when we need them back, we will return one by one, because we want to be cautious of what we have as presubmits. I mean, unfortunately, like I don't really like this, but this is how it's set up. You cannot start any job. Like ideally, you would be able to start any periodic, just like on your PR, just to check that it's working. Unfortunately, it's not set up this way. That's why we have this duplication of configuration and extra hassle to manage all these jobs. So
Okay, so I will clean ours, and for the GCE ones.
Same story, just maybe send a separate PR, and then we can like discuss it one by one. And if there are concerns, we can re-add it back when needed. Daniela, you just appeared. You just turned on the camera, or you want to say something?
Oh no, I just joined.
I see. Thank you, Matthias, for driving it forward. I didn't realize we still have them. Okay, good. Next, I want to go to this board. We don't have much updates today. We added a log contention job, but the job wasn't added. I mean, it's failing because we use the wrong image on containerd, and IDT send a fixed PR. Same for performance tests here. Same, we have a fixed PR as well. We have no changes on eviction tests as far as I can tell. Same. And on cryo, we have serial tests fixed, but all other tests are the same state as before. So yeah, not much changed. I know PR, like there is an exit PR for this one, but Warshed didn't react on pings, so I will need to double check that one. Any comments on test grid?
No, we just have a. We also have a flaky unit test that's just waiting for an approve.
This one is. I saw one PR, by the way. Maybe it's an interesting topic to discuss. Flaky unit test with validation of Klog. So it's at a Klog to some temporary. Is it what you're talking about? Is it this PR?
No, the one. This one is for in the eviction unit tests. The Klog one. I'm waiting for them to figure out if they're going to fix it or unassign themselves before taking another look at.
Makes sense. Let's
I
go to
posted
the
a
board.
link to the PR in Zoom chat.
Thank you. Yes, it's different. Is it? Oh yeah, it needs approval from Big SIG.
Yeah, sadly, it is the hard kind of PR to get approved.
I think you usually assign DIMS, and he does quickly. No.
DIMS doesn't have node approver.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You have everything else. I have a feeling.
Yeah. When I can't get DIMS to approve things, it takes a while.
I will see what I can do. Anyway, let's go to the board really quick. Yeah, we have only a few items here. Yeah, that one I was referring to. This has been worked on. Okay. Yeah, there is a PR for that.
But Daniel, Dims has a top-level approver in PKG. So I think it's transitively he has approvers for this one.
Yeah, but he doesn't like using that.
Ah, okay.
Like, he uses that to get rid of stale PRs. He doesn't really use it for a while, though.
Next application. So I think it's product PR. Yeah, it's product. Actually, pick. Yeah, I think it's product. It does. Oh, new test. It is for put templates. Is it backlog? Oh, it's conformance. Yeah, it's back. Any takers for this review?
It should be easy, so just CC me.
Thank you. Yeah, I like how we have this metric on number of endpoints covered and we increase it every release. And this one that I'll be talking about. Place. Let's keep this. Product change. So belong here. Okay. Okay, we have somebody assigned to this needs reviewer. Issues to do is still growing. We need to start taking issues from here. So if you don't have any issues, feel free to take it from here. And probably I will maybe offline I will review everything to do and move everything in progress which is assigned or unassign people from those jobs. So you'll have clear understanding what still needs to happen and what's not being worked on. Okay, I think if anybody else has a context or like agenda items for test part of meeting, please speak up. Otherwise, we'll go to Backlash. Okay, going to Backlash then. Only $3 today. Somehow this time is very slow. Nothing much happening. We even canceled yesterday's SIG Node meeting because there were no agenda. Okay, Kubel permission check on Windows. I think we looked at it last time. You just need to remove it from SIG Node because it's pure check on Windows side. Okay. But removed from our board, but I'll do it later. Cluster add capabilities. 2 days back. Okay, added capability. Okay, worked on 116. I wonder what's the runtime is a difference, because I know that there is a difference on container runtimes. On containerd we apply different capabilities by default. For this back, Kubot fails to mount CSI volumes. See, so it may be a feature. I would let SIG storage to triage it. Wonder, okay. Yeah, wonderful. So we need information to troubleshoot why it became empty, but whether to handle it or not, it's SIG storage to decide, I think. And yeah, let's remove from board. And we're done. Still have half an hour left. We can take a look at this recently updated issues as we did last time, 6 days ago. So 6 days ago is almost a week ago, so no need to take a look. Just this one. Oh, this one as well. This two we just updated. It doesn't work on GPU resource limits. Oh, it's a stale robot. Still needs information. Oh, it's a stale robot. Okay. Nothing interesting. Yeah, I think we're done with Backlash. Does anybody have any more topics for today? Okay, then. Thank you, everybody. Have a good rest of the day. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. See you next
Have a
week.
good day.
Bye.